Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wasn't supposed to come. I saw the rain on Munguru and I decided just to sleep in a little bit. I woke up, I saw the weather, the sun was shining. I said, hey, just go have a chance at the beach. So guys, yeah, came down, had a few shots. Let's see what happens. Get you on camera. Cheers. Hey guys, I wonder if a Wavegarrick here. Small little fella, but it's something. I got a blacktail, now I got a Wavegarrick. Let's just try to take him off with one hand here. Well, there you guys, there's a Wavegarrick. Awesome. Hey guys, another Wavegarrick. I don't know if you can see it. But there. Awesome. This is a bigger one. Let's take him off and release him. Looks like today is the day for Wavegarrick. Awesome guys. Sorry my battery went flat, but we're trying the phone again. Hey guys, there's another blacktail. Sorry about the phone video, but it's the only way I can do it. And it's hard to record the fights. But there's a blacktail. We're going to release him now. He's still full of life. We're just going to release him in the pool and we'll let him go. It's quite a size one, as you can see. Awesome, let's release him. Guys, there's a flagtail. Awesome little fish. I'm going to release him now. Try to release him with my one hand. If he doesn't swim away. Ay na. Remember guys, you got sparks. There's the flagtail. Let's release him. There you are. Fine. Awesome. Guys, the flagtail. Another one. Another flagtail guys. Awesome. Take him off the hook. Release him. Hey guys, okay, we came down to the beach. I woke up. Unfortunately my camera went flat on me, so I had to film on cell phone. Obviously I got no fights on the phone, but I did get some fish. I got some Wavegarrick, blacktail, not pamphlets, flagtails. So yeah, the fish were quite full up, and you got some pictures, obviously some just cell phone footage, but it's better than nothing. Yeah guys, I'll put it on my channel and see if you enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. I'm sure I'll be back on the beach tomorrow. Hopefully my camera will be charged, and yeah, we'll check you tomorrow. Cheers guys, thanks, enjoy the rest of your day.